Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date on this SKMEI 1885 model watch. So if you also have got this digital watch and getting trouble in setting time and date, this video is for you. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this SKMEI 1885 model watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me, where hour, minute and second is mentioned as well as date. If you are in different function, press this left side down button. This is stopwatch. This is another function. And press one more time. This is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press this left side down button for 3 times. Once, twice and thrice. After pressing for 3 times, you can see here the seconds have started blinking. To adjust this second or to reset it towards 0, press this right side top button. So whenever I press this right side top button, it makes seconds 0. After this, to adjust hour and minute, press right side down button. Here you'll get a chance to adjust hour. Use this right side top button to go ahead. You can see here in a small icon on the right side, A is mentioned. It means we are in AM. If you continuously cycle through it, you will reach towards PM as shown on the video. And if you continuously do the same, you can even reach towards 24-hour format. Currently we are in 12-hour format. If I continuously press this button, where you will see as is mentioned, that means we are in 24-hour format. And if I follow the same step continuously, press the same button, I will come back towards 12-hour format as shown on the video. As you see here, A is mentioned. Now we are in AM. Once you adjust hour, to adjust minute, press right side down button. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Use this right side top button to go ahead. Now to adjust date and days of a week, press this right side down button. The month is blinking. Use this right side top button to go ahead. 1 means January, February, March, April, May. Select your desired month. After this, press right side down button. This is day. Press right side top button to go ahead. After adjusting these all, to adjust days of a week, which is showing Saturday, press right side down button again. Use this right side top button to change days of a week. Once you adjust everything to keep it fixed, press left side down button at the end for one time. So whatever the adjustment you have did is fixed. So if you find this video helpful regarding SKMEI 1885 model watch, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.